Hello traders, today is the 23rd of February 2013 and the time in London is 19:23 p.m. in London. In New York 14:23 p.m. Happy Saturday to you all. The title of this video is Trading Like a Cat. This is about my trading approach. At the end of this video, one will understand how to develop efficient trading strategies that work. Let's get started. One of my favorite animals is the cat. She is intelligent, smart, agile, but also patient. She knows how to focus, to wait, and take excellent opportunity. She is a hunter, but a clever hunter. I have become a better trader by learning from cats. When she sees a mouse, she does not rush. She will wait and will keep her eyes on the mouse without blinking. And then she will adjust her muscles, relax them, and get them ready. She will not look to the right or to the left, but she stays focused. She's waiting for the right moment. Sometimes the waiting time can be long, and the mouse may even escape because a situation were not right. However, the most important thing for the cat is to get it right. She knows how to hunt, but each mouse is different. Let me say this again, ladies and gentlemen. Each mouse for the cat is different mouse. And each mouse requires total concentration. The cat is a disciplined hunter. I may spend the whole day talking about how the cat hunts the mouse, but this video is not about the cat itself. It is about how we can trade like a cat. In the next part of this video, we will look at specific trading opportunities and discuss how we can take them. Thank you for watching. I will see you for watching in the next video. Like the cat, when we see a trading opportunity, we must be patient, we must remain calm, we must relax our muscles, okay? We must be patient and wait for the right time, okay, to enter the trade or to take the opportunity. The most important thing in trading is the entry point. But one should be able to recognize excellent trading opportunity. Okay, first you want to recognize okay, the opportunity, and not only to recognize the opportunity, to understand the opportunity. Now you want to remain calm because you have recognized okay, a very a high probability trade setup. You want to remain calm. You want to do your investigation. You want to do your due diligence. You want to focus on the opportunity, and you want to get it right. This is the process. So, though we are technical traders, we must also pay attention to the economy news because sometimes, as I explained to you, the cats may see a mouse, but the situation may not be right, and the mouse may escape, which means sometimes a stock may present us with an opportunity, but due to the current trading environment, we may decide, okay, to let it go. For instance, if London is about to close, we know that we are in a gap period for day trading. We may see some excellent, beautiful setup. We may let them go because we know that this is not the best time, okay, to be hanging around too long in the market. On this chart here, the Dollar Tree Store, Epic DLTR, Delta Lima Tango Romeo. On the monthly chart, we have here a trading setup, or we have an opportunity. Now, we recognize the opportunity and we understand the opportunity. Now we want to remain calm and wait for the right moment to take it. What's happening here? We know that when the normal progression of the price is a diagonal progression. You can see here. I can extend the red line here. You see. Moment, please. Let me do it properly here. I'm looking for the red one. 1 second. I want to move lines and then I will get there. This red one. Okay. If I extend this red one, you see that the price moved away from the diagonal move. So there was a normal progression, and then the price, okay, moves away, deviation from the diagonal progression, and the price went vertical. All right. So this is abnormal. The price does not go vertical. Though it's happening here, we know that there is a kind of exaggeration taking place. We see it happening like the cat. We will watch it. We will remain calm. We will relax our muscles, but we'll focus on it, analyzing what is taking place, waiting for the right moment, okay, waiting for, okay, the best, okay, time, okay, to take the opportunity because we want to get it right. So we see a diagonal move and then we see a vertical move. We know straight away what is likely to take place. Ladies and gentlemen, like the cat, we do not rush. We want to apply the trading triangle. We want to use our trading tool like professional traders. We want to get it right. So all we do, we acknowledge that, okay, in fact, there was a diagonal move, and then there was a vertical move. Okay. All right. We know that if the price starts going down, the first support level or the first target zone is the orange line here, which is the median line of the vertical move. By the way, this is not part of the TSD trading tool. This is just trading, okay, a strategy that we have talked about on YouTube, nothing to do with the TSTW trading tool. So the first target zone is the orange line. The second target zone is the blue line here, which is, okay, where the diversion between the diagonal move and the vertical move has taken place. This is the second, okay, all right, the intersection point between the diagonal move and the vertical move. That's the second target zone. The ultimate target zone is the opposite diagonal, all right. The diagonal itself is the green line here, is the diagonal. But the opposite diagonal is the pink line here. So as the price went diagonal and then went vertical, there is a high chance that the price may go back to the pink line, which is the opposite diagonal. But as the price is going down, we understand that the price is looking for a better support level. And the first support level is the orange line here, which is the median line of the vertical move. As you can see, the price went down, as we were expecting, went down for the dollar trade. And where is it stopping? It's stopping now on the, okay, the median line of the diagonal move. You see here? All right, the median line. This is an opportunity. This is a chance. All right. If the orange lines fell, the next target zone is the blue line. If the blue lines fell, the ultimate target zone is the pink line. This is a setup. As always, like the cards, we must wait for the signal and then wait for the best time to take the opportunity. The mouse itself will give the signal to the cards. As the cards is looking at the mouse is moving, the mouse is not in one place, the mouse is moving. The card is staying in one place, maybe moving a bit, but keeping eyes on the mouse, watching every movement of the mouse, waiting for the right moment, waiting for the signal. The same thing we'll do. Checking the environment. Sometimes the opportunity may present itself, but the environment may not be, okay, excellent to take it, which means you may see excellent opportunity, but because of the market noise or the economy news or because of other market participants or because of the clock, the time of the day or the time of the year, maybe it's an earnings season, because of something else, you may decide, okay, to let it go, which means the mouse may escape. Few months ago, we see the same opportunity, and we were talking about it. The price was going up that time. We said to traders that the price has a high chance to retrace back to the opposite diagonal, which is the pink line. We are talking about Apple stock. But during that time, the price went down a bit, as you can see here. This move here, down, seeking, okay, to retest the median line of, okay, the median line of the vertical move. That's the first target zone, as you can see. As it touched that level, it went back up, displaying a higher low, a higher high. You see here, at this point in time. This has something to do with Elliott wave, but okay, we leave it like this, Elliott wave pattern. But you see, slowly but gradually, the prior returned back, okay, near the pink line, which is the opposite diagonal. This is an opportunity, but though you may see the opportunity, if you do not wait for the right time, if you do not take the right step, if you do not relax your muscle, if you are not patient, if you do not pay attention to the economy news, the trading triangle, you may miss the opportunity. Though some traders know about this opportunity, they did not take part into it, or they do not understand the pattern, and they do not know how to play it. Recently again, on our Facebook page, we post for traders for McDonald's stock, again on a monthly chart. The same pattern appear, and we were telling traders, is here a monthly chart for McDonald's, MCD, McDonald's, yes. There was again the same progressing, probably quarterly chart, and okay, I removed my drawing on this chart. I thought I have my line ready, but in fact there was a diagonal move and a vertical move for McDonald's stock, and the price, okay, return back to the, okay, this section here. Let me remove all my drawing. Moment please, because I don't want, okay, the video to be too long. You see, if I extend this line, you can see, you can leave it like this. Starting from here, you can see here, okay, and the price start going diagonal, and then it went, okay, vertical, this move here, okay, in this session, and again the price pull back to the median line, okay, of the diagonal move somewhere here. If my recollection is correct, somewhere here, okay, and the price pulled back up. As we can see, there was a, you see, this is the diagonal move, and then there was a vertical move here, and then we were expecting a pullback. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a magic. This is nothing to do with, okay, a science or a exact science. This is about a phenomenon that we have observed that is taking place all the time in the market. There is another example here, which we are looking at right now. This is the USD yen. We go this time on the weekly chart. And like a cat, one should not rush. One should not, okay, impose the expectation on the market. One will stay calm like a cat, looking at the opportunity, focusing on the opportunity, which means sometimes professional may have, okay, a stock on a watch list for a month, even for 6 months. They will keep their eyes on the same stock, watching it day in, day out, just waiting for the right moment, okay, to enter the trade. It may take even more than a year sometime for a professional that put a stock on a watch list, waiting for the right moment, okay, to enter the trade. Like a cat, we want to understand the opportunity, and we want to take advantage of it, but we want to take advantage of it at the right time and also at the right place. On this weekly chart of the USD yen, what do? We just wait. We see that the price went diagonal here, okay, the red line here. If I extend it, you can see that there was a deviation from the diagonal, you see, from the diagonal move. This is the diagonal move, you see. So the price went vertical. Now we are here. All right, we have noticed that there is a deviation. That's what we know. As the deviation is taking place, we are drawing our vertical line, and also we are drawing our median line. Now what do we wait for? We are waiting for a signal, a clear-cut signal. If there is no signal, we will not enter the trade. We will wait, like the cat. Sometimes the cat may be observing the mouse, but the condition may not be right, which means the mouse may escape. Again, right here, this is an opportunity again. I leave it to traders to look at it, to focus on it, to concentrate on it, okay, to wait for the right moment, okay, and to wait for the signal. And when the signal is given, traders will understand that the first target will be the red line. If there is extension of this move to the upside, all we do, we just extend our vertical move, waiting for the right moment, the right time, okay, to participate, okay, in the direction of the price. We do not assume anything. We just wait patiently, like a cat. But we want to keep eyes on it, which means we want to have it on our watch list. We want to analyze it. We want to understand what is taking place. We want to pay attention to the trending triangle and wait for the right moment. And when there is a clear-cut signal, we will take it. But we want to take it at a low-risk point, like a cat. The cat is observing the mouse, the movement of the mouse. But when the mouse becomes more vulnerable, that's the time when the cat will jump on it. The same thing we do with stock. Sometimes you may enter a trade, for instance, you sell, and the price may take you out. So you step back, you reanalyze what has happened, and you notice that nothing has changed. So you wait for another better time. You may enter again. The market may take you out again. You look again. You see that nothing has changed. You sell again. You don't buy because nothing has changed. So you keep selling. And finally, you are rewarded big time. All right? This is for the USD yen, a diagonal move, a vertical move, retracement to the opposite diagonal. First targets, the median line of the vertical move. Second targets, the intersection point between the diagonal move and the vertical point, the vertical move, which is the green line here. The ultimate target, okay, is the opposite diagonal, which is the orange line here. Ladies and gentlemen, there is another thing I want to show you. This is about the pound-dollar currency pair this Friday. On Thursday, 21st of February 2013, I recorded a video that I posted, I recorded on the 21st, but I posted it on the 22nd in the morning for traders at www.youtube.com/24ElliotWave, our second YouTube channel. I still have my drawing here, and I was telling traders about real times. The title of the video is the Real Times Market Forecast Part 1. In that video, at www.youtube.com/24ElliotWaves, I was telling traders that because the pound-dollar currency pair was going down for some time, okay, and it started going up in this session here. We were here, and the price pulled back to the 38.2%. I was telling traders that we have a high chance to see what we call, okay, a flat correction. And for the running flat correction, we have the A corrective move, and we were expecting that time the price was here, where my cursor is now. And during that time, I was telling traders that there's a high chance that the price may go to the target zone, which is here at 138% Fibonacci extension of this move right here. Talking about the running flat correction, as the price hit this level, we will expect it to pull back from this level, but not to go below this point. This is what I was telling traders in the video that we call, okay, Real-Time Market Forecast, Part 1. So we were here that time, but this is about recognizing the opportunity and understanding the opportunity and waiting for the signal, the right time, the right condition, and to take it. All right? Like the cards, if you want to trade like a cards, we want to be very patient. And also we want to be disciplined. This is the key, being disciplined. We want to understand our trading tool, and we want to just recognize the best setups, okay? And when the time is ready to take advantage of it, instead of taking any useless trade or taking some trade that we do not understand, that are not very clear for us, but we want to focus. This is about a card, focusing on the things that we understand. So if you understand a double bottom, which is a validation of a support level, or if you understand a double top, and we know that it's a validation of resistance level, we must also align that with the setup. We must have a signal before we enter the trade. All right? If there is no signal, there is no trade. If we enter the trade and the signal has failed, we will come out. I want to show you something here, ladies and gentlemen. So, as I said to trader, we have forecast the market. The next day, the price on the 22nd, even during the Asian session, our targets just before the 22nd is here, the price hit the target. So in the morning, the next day, on the 22nd of February 2013, I've recorded another video that we call Real-Time Market Forecast Part 2. And I was telling traders that we are expecting the pound dollar to go down. The price was already down somewhere here, and we were expecting it to come a bit down near these levels, you see, where there was this consolidation, and to give us another buy signal here. I also told traders that if there is some crazy news, if a crazy news come out of the blue, our expectation may not happen, which means instead of having a running flat correction, we may see instead, okay, an expanded flat correction. And my drawing were here, which I say to trader, instead of the price stopping here, we may see, okay, 5 waves down. Yep. You may go and check the video at www.youtube.com/24 Elliott Wave. Look for the video that we titled, okay, Real-Time Market Forecast Part 2. All right. So I was saying today that if there is a crazy news, the price may go instead 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means an expanded flat correction, bringing us to the total retracement here. Look what has happened. You know what has happened here, ladies and gentlemen? At this point here, the United Kingdom, the economy of United Kingdom was downgraded just before, okay, late in the night, okay. Moody has downgraded, okay, the economy of United Kingdom, okay, and the price went down. Though myself, I was here, I bought it here, I bought the pound dollar currency pair here, and out of the blue, this new came out, and I was taken out of my trade. Boom, down. Look, we had instead, okay, a flat, an expanded, a flat correction. Though it's not very clear here, you can see here, it was a bit messy because of the new. And where are we going? We are coming to the base. We may see a bit of, probably a bit of a gap down during tomorrow, which is Sunday night when Forex is open, and to retest this low here, because this is another support level here. So this is what we are talking about. Using the trading triangle, entering the trade at a low risk point. Where I was entering the trade was not a bad place because we were expecting the pound dollar. So in fact, I bought it here, and it went up here, took my profit, sold it again. In fact, I came out too early here. I came out too early because I don't want to risk too much. I came out, took some profit, and I was waiting for it, okay, to come down a bit here. I don't want to enter up here. I was waiting for it to come here. And finally, it gave me that chance somewhere here. And I enter it only to have, okay, Moody downgrading the economy of United Kingdom. And the price went down big time. This was a losing trade. There's nothing I can do about it. It's a news that no one can forecast. But as you can see there, here, our pattern of a running flat correction was working nicely. You can see that some traders even take advantage of it early because I was very careful. I didn't take part into this when it was running like this. You can see some traders bought it here when I was expecting, and it ran up. But I did not buy here. I bought it instead here towards the end of Friday, waiting for it to stay in this trade till the Monday to allow it to go. But just before Forex will close, we see that Moody has downgraded the economy of United Kingdom, and the price went down, and this was a losing trade. Doesn't matter. The key point we want to understand is that we want to know what we are doing, understand the opportunity, recognize the opportunity, and wait for the better time, okay? Wait for the signal, wait for the right conditions to align nicely for us before we enter, okay, the trade, all right? There is another trade that I will show you here, ladies and gentlemen, talking about trading like a cat. It's about being a discipline, being smart, and being also cautious. When an opportunity presents itself to us, we want to look at it, we want to focus on it. We can have stock on our watch list for some time, for a week, for a month. Sometime we will tell traders that the Euro USD will revisit the zone of 13150. Look, where are we? Where is it now? Look. Where is it now? This week, look. This is 13150. But if you go to www.facebook.com/stochastic-MACD, you will see that we have posted on that page few weeks ago. When we have posted that information, the Euro USD ran up big time. Only, okay, because of the economy news that was coming out that time, it has changed the dynamics of the market, and the Euro USD went up. But at the end of the day, the price slowly but gradually, as I explained to traders, look, on Friday, look, this is 13150. That's the level here, 13150. Now it's changing direction here. Another thing I want to say to traders, on Friday, I opened two positions here for the Euro USD to buy the Euro USD. Why? I bought it here, where I put the spotlight here. Just before New York was open, it was a risky trade. I understand that. It was a risky trade because normally professionals will close their day trade or secure all their gains before New York opens, because another market is about to open. You want to be careful because orders need to be filled first, which will create a bit of distortion in the market. But I decided to enter the trade. I understood the risk. There was this low here. On the 50-minute chart, there was this low here. And then there was another low here. Okay, and then there was another one here. In fact, there were a lot of low piling up here, a kind of a validation of support level. So I decided to enter here instead of waiting for New York to open. I know what I was doing. I opened two trades, one with a tiny risk, one with a bigger risk, which means two different stops, loss, which I use here. But when New York is about to open somewhere here, I remember I closed one of the trades because I decided to minimize my risk, okay? So I closed the one with a tiny risk, and I allowed the other one with a bigger risk to stay in place. But just before, right here, this candle here, take me out of the trade straight away because of what myself I knew that there's a high chance that trade may fail. If I left those two trades open, they would have been, both losing trade. But the one that I left open was taken out, which was a losing trade. The next thing that I did, ladies and gentlemen, I bought it again, the same place. I bought it again, right here. As soon as I see this tall candle, I bought it again somewhere here. And very fast, by the time I turn around again and come back, it was again, a big time up. And I closed my trade somewhere here. You see now? This is about waiting for the right time and understanding the environment, the conditions, before, we take the trade or before we enter the trade. I can go on for a long time talking about the chart, what we can learn from the cards. It's all about focusing on the best setups. Trading is a very simple game, but very often traders, because of emotion and other things, can get into trouble easily. On this chart, ladies and gentlemen, there was a double top here. In fact, it was on the hourly chart for the Australian dollar, US dollar currency pair. This is it, the double top. A consolidation zone is a high volume zone. It's a tough area for the price to break. There was a consolidation here. But look, after the consolidation, the price went here to display exactly a double top. This is a high probability trade setup because we know that this previous consolidation zone is a tough level for the price to break. And the price is giving us a double top here, validating this zone as a resistance level. Look what's happened. Big time down. Price went down, looking for a better support level. This support level was taken out fast. Look, the price did not even acknowledge it, just went through it. Kaput. So looking, when one is kaput, it's the next one. Well, this one. You see? You just break through it. Look how you break through all this one. You break through this one. Come to this one. Look, conjunction. And then finally, a double bottom again. Validation on this level again. As, a support level. Boom, it went up. On the daily chart, ladies and gentlemen, the validation of support and resistance level is the key to successful trading. A trader may spend their time only focusing on double top and double bottom, either on the hourly chart or on the 2-hour chart, and waiting for the TSTW24 to give them a right moment, to participate in the direction of the market, and he or she will make excellent decision. The validation of support and resistance level is a powerful tool because the smart money want a validation of the price. As the smart money see a validation of resistance level, the smart money would like to take part into it. because the smart man is risking more money, they want to make sure that the risk that they are taking, okay, is well controlled. On the daily chart of the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair, ladies and gentlemen, what is overbought condition? All right? Traders are using the oversold stochastic or oversold RSI or oversold CCI. I want to show traders on this chart what is an oversold condition. An oversold condition will happen when? It will happen after a downtrend. So look here. The price must go down first before we can talk about oversold condition. So the price, look, it went down big times. People selling it big time. If after the price display lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, the price give us the first higher low. That's the first oversold condition. We must watch it. But the best oversold condition is when the price come out of a bearish channel and retest it and turn around. Here was down, come out of the channel and retest it here. This is the best oversold condition. You may spend your time just scanning for stock that are oversold. So you go on your software, scan for stock that are oversold on the 4-hour chart, on the daily chart, whichever time frame is suitable for you, and oversold. Look for the best oversold condition, which is right here. Price come out of a bearish channel, break above it, and retest the channel. That's the best oversold condition. Price display higher low, the first higher low, after display lower lows, lower highs. This is the purest definition of oversold condition. When you see them, filter, okay, the worst setups, give yourself the best setup, and take it from there. If you are TSTWSYS008 a trader, use the setups, the signal, and the entry point. If you are TSTW24 trader, do not use the TSTW24 on the first best time frame alone. Do not use the TSTW24 in the void. Look for setups. For instance, we can go to the 4-hour chart, the same scenario. We want to trade the stochastic on the 4-hour chart. The best time, if the price is oscillating, the base is the best oversold condition. All right? The top is the best overbought condition. There was one here. This is just a purest definition of oversold and overbought, either in consolidation like this or price is out of a bearish channel. Look at this one. Look at this one. Okay? On the 4-hour chart, look, drawing this level. Look, look, look. Pay attention carefully. Okay? All right? Okay? Price display, lower high. You see, this is overbought here. This is overbought. A high, a lower high, and retesting the same bearish channel. This is overbought zone. All right? Now, we are above that bearish, you see here? You want it to break above it and to touch it and to turn around. Do not assume that it will turn around. But wait, sometimes you'll see the stochastic. Let me look for another example for you. On the daily chart, I can show you clearly one, okay? Yeah? On the daily chart, we are looking for oversold. You want to use CCI? Yes, use CCI. But understand the definition of oversold. Price is out of a channel, break above, retest. This is the purest oversold condition. Now it's oversold. Price is above a rising trend line or within a rising channel. You see here, price, there was a low, a higher low. Look, the third one. This is another oversold condition. The momentum is up. As we see the price going up, so this is an invitation to buy, but you need to be careful and understand what is taking place. This is an invitation to buy. The price went up, but couldn't display a new higher. Another invitation here, you need to be careful because the previous invitation did not go above the previous high. So here, if you are taking this one, you need to be very careful. Now, he exceeded, he come back, but this time did not, okay? See, so you see how the price was going along the trend line. Now, this trend line is kaput. This is about the best setup. It break below the trend line. Now, it come and retest it. If the stochastic is overbought here, and we receive a signal to buy in a signal time frame, we will take it and give it a chance. Price going down, price looking for, okay, the next, the first and nearest support level. Step by step. We don't want to complicate anything to ourselves. Like the card, we want to see first the mouse, which means we want to have the setup, the best setup. So the card does not go around just laying down, hunting in the air. The card needs to see the mouse first. as the cat recognizes that this is the mouse, she knows exactly, okay, the steps to take. And the same thing we are doing here. Very often we see some traders, some new trader will purchase TSTW, some will purchase another trading tool, or they may create their own trading system, but they are using their tool at the wrong place at the wrong time. Like the card, we want to recognize the opportunity, we want to wait for the right environment. Like this week, as we have seen, for the pound-dollar currency pair, we have seen that beginning of the week, there was some discussion relating to quantitative easing because of a monetary committee in London that were talking about printing more pound. The market started getting bearish. The price came near the small media line, supposed to find a support there, but did not find a support. Well, it did not find a support. It break below it. The level we are talking about is 152.71. Here, the zone here. Price break below it. See, price dip below the small media line. Okay, right here. I'll use right this time. Okay, it break below it and came back to retest it. But as it retests it, people start selling. It displayed a higher low. You see, it went back above it, failed to find the support. This time, okay, the price display a lower high. If I draw a line here, you will see what has happened here. You see the trend line that I draw now. Okay, can you see on your chart? Okay, maybe I color it in orange. Okay, and you can see. Okay, so we can see that if we draw a line like this. Okay, see. These 2 points allow me to draw my orange line, and we are waiting for the third time, boom, the fourth time, boom. You see, this is what's happening here all the time. What's the point of this video about trading like a cat, ladies and gentlemen? Very often, what I have noticed, a lot of traders can trade. If you have been trading for more than 3 years, or at least 2 years, and you have made some money, probably 1 week, the whole week, you have traded and you make money the whole week, it means that you understand something. Good. It's not by chance that somebody can trade the whole week, okay, profitably. All right? So if you have trade for 1 week, and at the end of the week you are profitable, if you've done that 2 or 3 times in the last 2 years, it means that you can trade. Now, the problem will start when we try to complicate things. It happened to myself when I start to complicate things. The next thing is the economy news, the trading triangle. Like we have seen this week, they have downgraded the economy of United Kingdom. We were bullish for the pound dollar. Now what has happened? The music has changed. We must now wait for the right moment again, keep our eyes on it, which means we stay focused. Though we want to buy, I'm not going to go and sell the pound dollar currency pair because I want to buy it. So if it's going down, I'm not going to sell it. I will just wait, okay? Because according to my view, nothing has changed. Though the economy in the United Kingdom has been downgraded, looking at the chart, nothing has changed so far. We'll see. So I will keep this on my watch list. I will keep eyes on it. I will focus on it. And I will just, like a cat, stay calm, relax my muscles, okay? And wait for the signal. And when the moment is right, okay, I will buy it again. All right? I hope you have enjoyed this video about trading like a cat, okay? And that you will put into use, okay, to make excellent trading decision. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Speak to you soon.